Hey guys, so today I will show you the best crypto wallet tracker in the market, and it is totally free. It is not paid tool like many of these influencers are selling you something. And first of all, I will show you how you can, for example, follow Dave Portnoy's wallet. He's probably right now the biggest hype in the Solana, in the meme coin circles. He has $3.5 million followers. He invented Barstool Sports. So how you can follow this guy is, first of all, you will need BullX wallet tracker. BullX is basically a platform where you can buy and sell Solana coins, Solana meme coins, everything on Solana. And this is so easy. Here you basically add wallet. I will call it Dave because we will follow the Dave Portnoy. And how you can find his wallet is really easy. You go on CallScan. Now, CallScan is a website where you can see many smart meme coin traders, many influencers, many even the best meme coin traders like Capsi. He's the most profitable meme coin trader. On Solana. You can basically copy his wallet and paste it here, but I will show you something interesting. Here is the Dave Portnoy wallet. And basically what you have to do is click here, copy wallet, go on BullX wallet tracker, enter wallet address, and we are done. Now you see everything that he's holding. You can see what he was selling 13 hours ago was his last basically transaction. You can see what he's holding. He's holding, for example, Rugsies. I think he created himself. I think Dave is him and he created this. And you can see he bought 12,000 worth of these. He already sold 18,000 worth of Rugsies and he has remaining for $587. And he has coins like Jailstool, the biggest holding, $1.44 million. This is the main meme coin that he has. And he's holding only 3%, but still that's quite a lot for him. He, as you can already see, he bought 490,000 worth, sold already 120, and he has, if he sells it now, he basically have a 3x, 4x. So basically, this is the easiest way you can track wallets, and you can track up to 300 wallets. So let's follow Frank, one of the biggest influencers in this space, the Gods creator. So copy his address, go to BullX, add a wallet right here. Let's add here. So Frank, enter wallet address, add wallet. Now we have Frank. So let's click Frank. Here you can see how much he has spent, his revenue, unrealized P&L and realized P&L. So basically, again, you can see all of his here. Let's go to Monitor Square. And here you can see everything that he's holding. As we can see, he's only holding this wanked, I don't know what's called wanked this, something. And he's holding 1.49K. He bought 15K, already sold the initials, and he has still 0.1%. The last transaction was 1 minute ago, so basically this, and it looks like so he's in a loss at this one because he bought 972 worth of Olivia, and he is remaining here you can see only 138, and he has sold 0. Maybe he's waiting for the price to go up. But here is basically the best part because you can see what coins they are buying. You can basically snipe influencers. Don't try to copy trade them because most of these big guys, they are basically buying fast and selling in few seconds, few minutes. They are basically scalping. Here you can see no data found. Probably this was rugged or it actually went up. Here you can see. It is basically going up and he's already in the profits. He will most likely sell in few seconds because he's again scalping. Here you can see he bought more and he sold And basically, yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, that's actually another Olivia coin. So he bought another one. So yeah, he's basically moving so fast. It's hard to even track. But you can, for example, go on this Olivia First AI and basically go on X, search Olivia coin or something like that he's basically buying specifically, and you will understand what he's buying. Is it relevant? How many influencers or people are talking about it on X? And you can basically, that's how you can start trading meme coins. And always remember that this is a really hard sport. I would recommend you to at least watch just what they are doing, and you can see everything as I showed you. Go search. There are so many huge influencers, and you can already, you can see the leaderboard, for example, monthly, how much they have made. And basically, yeah, go on these, copy these influencers, these meme coin traders, paste the wallet here, and you can track them. And for example, track them for the 20 hours or 10 hours, see what they are doing. Go on the X, search for the coins, look what the coins mean. Understand that on TikTok you can find many new memes. That's how many crypto traders are basically trading. They are seeing something viral going up, and there will be coins created immediately. And that's how you can basically track wallets. I love BullX because this is actually a really advanced app trading platform, because there is a Twitter tracker as well. You can just sit here and wait for something to pop on, something crypto related or something viral. Then you can go back to the wallet tracker or just search the coins or something that could be viral. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts like Elon Musk, Trump, and when they are tweeting, here everything will show automatically, and you will basically be the first one buying. And how you can install this app, the link is in the description, because this is invite only. When you click on the link, you will basically, the Telegram will be opening for you, and you will see something like this. I will show you in a minute. So basically something like this will show you your currently number, like 1 million or something like that. But I have my access code. If this bot is asking you for an access code, the link, the access code is under the link. Most likely it won't ask you. It will just give you a start button. You will just need to log in, and it will automatically open you this BullX application. The first thing you will see is this nonsense. This is basically for people that are professional traders. I mean, not professional, but OGs, that they know that what they are doing. And here you can already see Olivia. So there are many Olivias. So something around this is just pumping, or there is some hype about Olivia. I don't know what that is. But again, you have to do your own research. And why I love BullX, again, here you can see top 10 holding is less than 15%. So you can basically see how many tokens Dev has sold or not sold. You can see how many percent are held by insiders. So this is a very smart application, that BullX, because you can see how many snipers, and you don't want many snipers basically sniping your coins, because they will dump on you. Snipers basically mean that they are sniping the contract address, and when it comes out, they are buying before everyone else. So after they buy, they buy, and after them, everyone else buys. So they are just waiting for little gains, and they will sell immediately. You don't want insiders to hold more than 5% or 1%, whatever you want. Then you can basically see how many in percentage are the top 10 wallets holding. So for example, I think for Trump coin there is like 80% supplies held by the top 10%. but still Trump has a pull, has a big basically influence. That's why people don't care. But you can basically see how many top 10 wallets are holding, so you can avoid scams. You can also customize everything that you are seeing. For example, you can see if you want bot users, you don't want bot users, so you're basically filtering out everything that you don't need. I think this is what you can see. You can filter. So yeah, so see basically here you can set everything that you want. For example, how much developers are holding, how many holders, and you can set specific percentages or numbers. So you basically filter out everything that seems like a scam. That's why I'm telling you again, this is the best trading platform. And if you want to start tracking wallets, tracking tweets, you can start using it really easy. I already showed you. Go on CallScan, search for the biggest influencers, for the best traders even. And there are more features if you pay for this. I'm not paying, I just follow specific accounts. And yeah, you can see everything that they are doing by minutes, by seconds. Also, you will be soon you will be able to follow specific accounts. I will be following, for example, Binance listings or Coinbase listings. So as they are posting that they have listed something, it will go up 3x, 10x, and I will be the first to buy. Doesn't matter if it's on Solana or Base. If it's on Solana, even better. If it's on Base or Ethereum, I will be the Uniswap will be ready to swap. And yes, invite link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.